friend and welcome to my channel! Let's draw the Gingerbread Man's house together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the roof with a rhombus and a diagonal line. Draw the snow falling from the roof with lots of U-shaped lines alternating with upside-down U-shaped lines. Follow me as I'm drawing them. Draw 3 candy canes as columns. First a vertical line, a small semicircle, and another vertical line. Then draw lots of diagonal lines on the inside of the candy canes. Wow! Our drawing is starting to take shape. Draw the snow at the base of the house with lots of curved lines of different sizes, like I do. Draw the door with a vertical line, a semicircle, a vertical line. Draw the edge following the drawn shape, then draw a diagonal line for the base of the door. Now draw the window with a vertical line, a semicircle, a vertical line, a diagonal line, then draw the edge. Inside of it, draw a vertical line and a diagonal line. Draw the second window in the same way. Draw the decorations on the walls. First spiral candies, six wave candies, three hearts of different sizes. Draw the roof tiles with lots of curved lines like I do. Draw a large pinwheel candy on the door and a circle for the handle. Draw a rectangle to include the drawing. Draw the snow with 2 wavy lines. Draw the Christmas tree with the balls like I do. Draw 2 lollipops of different sizes. 2 candy canes. Follow me while I'm drawing them. Draw the driveway with 4 diagonal lines and 4 ovals. Draw lots of circles of different sizes for the falling snow. Wow! Our drawing came out great! Now let's get the colors! Use a light brown for the walls of the house. Use a darker brown for the trunk of the tree, the handle, the lollipop sticks, the edge of the windows. Use red for the treble, the diagonal lines of the columns, the candy on the wall, the candy canes, the spiral lollipops, 2 roof bands, the door, and the spiral candy. Use purple for a treble, a round candy on the wall, the spiral lollipops, the central heart of the floor, the door frame, and 2 roof bands. Use blue for the lollipops, a round candy, 2 spiral candies on the wall, an oval, 2 trebles, and 2 roof portions. Color the lollipop parts, a round candy, an oval, 2 spiral candies on the wall, a roof band, and the tree with green. Color the lollipop parts, a round candy, a tree ball, 2 ovals, a roof portion, the windows, and the candy on the door with yellow. Use pink for the lollipop parts, a round candy, 2 balls of the tree, the floor, the roof part, and the 2 hearts. Now with light blue, color the sky. The Gingerbread Man's house came out so well. Great job! Goodbye friends, see you soon, and Merry Christmas!